Well, let's show you over these Tuscan combined teacup and saucer plate sets. We've only got 4 of them in the video today because set 1's already sold. This is set 2 with beautiful floral display on it. The Tuscan name applied to this particular design is wood sorrel, and this has the standard shape saucer plate with the teacup well here just to the edge of the handle, and again wood sorrel on the Tuscan flying China mark. 733H is the internal pattern reference, and that is set number 2. Set number 3 is this very nice pink, yellow and blue floral design. Teacup has these palpable little orange sepals on the flower design. Didn't have a name, this particular one. I don't know whether it's got a number. Here's the China saucer plate. Again, very catching design, really fine condition with great gilt, and it does have a pattern reference number on this, which I don't know whether we've quoted in listing number 3, but that's 5128P by the looks of it. So that is set number 3. Set number 4, this is very distinctive design with the butterflies on it. Pink ground teacup, again beautifully painted with that black butterflies in a teacup decoration. Rear panel of the floral, looks like verbena flowers actually, this one. Really nice one. Let's see if this one's got a name or not. Yes, this one has. This is June Glory 619H by the looks of the pattern reference. They're always quite difficult to read, some of these. And then the final set, set number 5, this very small, almost ditzy-ish design in grey with floral outline. Tuscan marks England, a nicely decorated saucer plate again, and no pattern reference number or name on this particular one, but that is, I think, reference set number 5. Lovely little inner wall detailing with that branch with a little bit of cherry blossom coming off it on that one. So those are the 4 remaining sets photographed in our light box and videoed for you, just to give you a better feel for the Tuscan bone china that's currently available on this listing. Thanks for watching.